Hi, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make blistered shishito peppers. They can be an appetizer, snack, or a side. And you know why? Because they're easy AF. Okay, so this truly is easy, very few ingredients. So I'm going to get the pan started. You need a nice big saute pan. Get it hot. And then of course we have our shishitos. Shishi means lion, and these derive from Japan. And togarashi means chili pepper. So lion head chili peppers. What happens with shishitos when you cook them, the outside blisters, the flesh gets soft, and then 1 in a dozen is real spicy. So it's like gambling. It's a really fun game to play while you're snacking. So all you need in the bottom of your hot pan is some olive oil. You can also use grapeseed oil if you like. I like olive oil for the flavor. We just have some flake sea salt, lemon, pepper, and some sesame seeds. You can totally jazz this up. You can use soy sauce, you can use chili crunch, you can put Parmesan, whatever kind of seasoning you want, as long as there's a salty element, because it's salty and snacky. These are great with cocktails. Okay, so in goes the shishito. Okay, all I want to do is make sure that they're in an even layer so that the skin is touching the heat and it starts to blister. Just like you would when you're doing a roasted pepper and you blister the skin on the outside, just not as dark. So we're going to blister them all on one side, turn them over, and then we're going to season and serve. Whoa, yes, they're getting there. All right, let's do this. You hear that sizzle? Wow, look at those. Come on in. Listen to that sizzle. I'm going to spread them back out, making sure all the sides that haven't blistered are hitting the bottom of that hot pan. Takes about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the size of your shishito. Honestly, you could have 2 pans going, and these get eaten up so quickly. So now that the other side is blistering, I'm going to grab the sea salt. Don't be afraid to get that salt on there. That's what they're good with. It's like peanuts or potato chips. You can't just eat one. Shishitos are so addictive. I'm going to give it a little bit of pepper. But again, remember, there's always one hot one in there. Some sesame seeds that have not been toasted, so they're just going to toast along with the shishito. Great flavor, great texture. And right when they're done, I'm going to give it a squeeze of lemon. Oh my gosh, they're puffing up. The outside is blistering. So how do I know when they're done? They should just be tender and just like a pepper, cooked through, soft and juicy. I'm gonna give it one last shake. Look at those. Turn off the heat. Give it a squeeze of lemon. And then just pile them in. Woo! So much fun. They're gonna soften. Grab them by the stem. Ooh. Load it up. Oh, those look so good. Blistered shishito peppers, snack, appetizer, or a side. You know why? They're easy AF. It's not hot.